History makes the 14-day gap between two Umrahs mandatory. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres has called for further debt relief for poor and middle-income countries for them to respond to COVID-19. Sheikh Nawaf Al Ahmad Al Jaber Al Sabah named the new Emir of Kuwait. The United Nations Security Council has expressed concern about clashes over the enclave of Nagorno-Karabakh that threatens spiral into an all-out war between Armenia and Azerbaijan. Grateful for Pakistan's support for the peace process, Afghanistan, Abdullah tells PM Han. In Syria, 9 people have been killed by Daesh militants in the Fasteh village of Hama province. Pakistan says will face rupees 50 billion revenue shortfall, 4,000 million cubic feet per day gas shortage this year. India coronavirus infection surged to 6.23 million.